Proteins are the basic building blocks of life, but they can only function correctly if they take the right shape. Our next laureates discovered a basic mechanism that guides how proteins fold. Absent these fundamental molecules found in all forms of life, proteins would aggregate together like a cooked egg white.
Pluto is a planet. The Earth is flat as a pancake. Germs could never be transmitted by touch. It's just a known thing, right? Until it isn't. The curious question everything. And that constant questioning is a characteristic of our next laureates. And their questioning would lead to a revolution in our understanding of how life works.
This is like traveling back into time.
It was 30 years ago, Art and I met, and we realized that we essentially worked on the same problem. The time that Art and I had together was definitely once in a lifetime. It worked out like a dream.
Life depends on proteins. Tiny machines with specific three-dimensional shapes. If proteins don't fold into the right shape, they can't do their jobs and can form tangles that lead to diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. It was once assumed that proteins spontaneously fold into shape without any help from the rest of the cell. But Art Horwich and Ulrich Hartl weren't so sure.
What we found was pretty much against the prevailing dogma at the time.
There was definitely going to be a credibility problem that these two junior people, who sort of came out of nowhere, were generating something that was pretty striking.
We took an enormous risk, Art and I. It would have completely destroyed our scientific career if it had turned out to be wrong.
Horwich and Hartl discovered that another protein with the shape of a barrel acts as a chaperone, shielding and giving energy to the protein while it folds into shape. It was a revolution in our understanding of one of the fundamental mechanisms of life.
The role of the molecular chaperone is to protect the protein chain from going into some wrong interactions. If you will, you could actually see the relationship between Art and myself in the same way as we helped each other and protected each other during this time of difficulties where we were uncertain about our findings.
To walk in and look into a dark room and see on the screen an image at 10 angstrom resolution of the folding machinery. Those are the indelible moments. Those you just carry around forever.
For discovering functions of molecular chaperones in mediating protein folding and preventing protein aggregation,
The Breakthrough Prize in Life Sciences is awarded to Ulrich Hartl and Arthur Horwich.
As a boy, Ulrich Hartl had a chemistry lab in the cellar of his house, where he performed sometimes dangerous experiments. Arthur Horwich was a ham radio operator who built a huge dish on his parents' roof to bounce signals off the moon.
What a moment. Discovery in life sciences probes the unknown, asking questions about the mechanisms of health and disease. How do proteins correctly fold into the unique three-dimensional shapes they need to perform functions like transport, signaling, and running chemical reactions? In the warm, chaotic jelly of the cell, the folding proteins are at high risk of clumping up, but they don't. Tools of genetics, biochemistry, and structural biology have revealed a machine and its workings that choreograph the dance of protein folding. Thank you, Mother Nature, for revealing your logic and beauty to us.
Thank you so much for this wonderful honor. What began as curiosity-driven research to understand a small part of the cell's fascinating microcosm, we now hope will help us in finding cures for neurodegeneration and other diseases. To the next generation of scientists, I would like to say, let the excitement of discovery be your driving force. Every contribution counts. You never know where it can take you. I'm very grateful to share this amazing experience with my wonderful wife and scientific collaborator, Manajit. Thank you.